Hello and welcome to my new kitchen. I'm so excited about this. I have an island. It's about 8 times bigger than my old kitchen. It's really a come up. So to celebrate this new kitchen, my new life, we're making a really delicious recipe. Green chili chicken enchiladas. Of course, they're vegan chicken. They're amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for you to try these. And to make these, I'm gonna be using the Sweet Earth Mindful Chicken. This is a soy-based product. It's totally gluten-free, non-GMO soy. It's got 19 grams of protein per serving. So all y'all who are new to the vegan lifestyle, who are a little bit like, I don't know if I can get all my protein, you can get all your protein. You don't have to worry about none of that. Especially with these enchiladas because they have the mindful chicken and they have beans, so you be fine. So let's get started on this very delicious recipe. So we're gonna actually start by making our green chili sauce. To make this, you're gonna use some onion, garlic, jalapeno pepper, and some canned green chilies. For this green chili sauce, we're gonna need 1 clove of garlic minced, half a seeded jalapeno pepper, and about 1/3 of a yellow onion. Saute that up in some olive oil. Once the onions are tender and golden, stir in 1 tablespoon of flour. This will thicken the sauce and make it extra creamy. Let that toast for about 30 seconds before adding water. Deglaze the pan and then add the chili peppers and salt. Let that simmer for about 10 minutes before adding vinegar and fresh lime juice. Remove that from the heat and let it sit until it's cool enough to blend. Blend until creamy. While your green chili sauce is cooling down before you blend it, you can actually get started on the filling for these enchiladas. So the filling ingredients are very simple. Onion, the mindful chicken, beans, and we're gonna top that off with some vegan cheese. So good. I mean, super simple, right? So let's get started with that. Chop some onion. Here's the Sweet Earth Mindful Chicken. The texture is like real chicken. This mindful chicken is a perfect replacement for actual chicken. And if you want to eat less meat, why not start there by replicating your favorite dishes using plant-based alternatives. There's a shortage of meat, but there is no shortage of vegan products. So go ahead and use those vegan alternatives for all of your favorite non-vegan dishes. Saute the onions in a little oil, and then add a little bit of salt to help them break down. Once the onions are tender, careful not to burn them like I did, add the mindful chicken. Cook this for about 5 minutes or until it starts to brown. Then stir in the pinto beans, and that's our filling. Fill your enchiladas first with some of that green chili sauce. This is going to make them extra divine. Top it with the chicken filling and then top with vegan cheese. Roll that up and continue with the remaining tortillas and filling. Top the enchiladas with a generous helping of that green chili sauce and then bake it for 20 minutes at 350 to 400 degrees. Chop some cilantro, quarter some limes, and chop up some green onion. Hot out of the oven, garnish these enchiladas with those toppings and avocado, and then serve. hope you guys enjoyed this recipe as much as I do. This is for real my new favorite comfort food recipe. So much flavor, so much goodness. You have to give it a try. And thanks to Sweet Earth for sponsoring this video and inviting me onto your ambassador team. Guys, I love these products and I hope you do too. Give them a try. First off, the Mindful Chicken in the green chili chicken enchiladas. And oh, I do want to say real quick, if you don't have the Mindful Chicken, or if you want to do a soy-free version, they also have the Awesome Grounds, which are based with pea protein. They don't have any soy, so you could use them too for some ground beef style enchiladas. Same recipe otherwise, so whichever floats your boat, give it a try. Like I said, this is the first video of many to come in this new kitchen. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and turn on notifications so that you don't miss a future video. I'm gonna share the recipe for this dish down below, and also follow me on Instagram where I post daily recipe inspiration, vegan lifestyle stuff, and just, you know, every day hanging out with me. So follow me there. It's also at Sweet Potato Soul. Links for everything, including Sweet Earth, will be down below. Okay, yeah, check out my other videos. I think you're also gonna really like the Better Than Chipotle Burrito Bowl. I think that's a good compliment to this one. So watch that next. Actually, I'm gonna link it here. Yeah. All right, thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.